Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial. How do I install enterprise enrollment on my Chromebook? In this video, I will guide you step by step to solve this problem. Make sure you must read and carefully follow all these steps to solve this problem. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider liking this video and subscribing my YouTube channel. So, without any delay, let's start and solve this problem. If you find any issue or any problem to solving this solution, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So, without any delay, let's start and solve this problem. So friends, here are 6 different steps. Follow these steps one by one to solve this problem. Manually enroll devices in your Chromebook. So follow these steps and solve this problem. If you any face error, so ask me in comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much.
So friends, this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any query related to this solution, simply ask in comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.